Hi everyone, it's Amy from HTS, and today I have a really fun Valentine's Day project that I'm going to be featuring our red matte chrome HTS adhesive and also the gold. So today I'm going to be taking the red and the gold and putting them on this blank jar that I found at Target in the dollar bin, dollar section, but it was $3, and it does open and close, and I'm going to be putting some candy in there. So my quote on there is going to be, "Kisses are sweeter than candy." And then I'm going to be taking some hearts that are gold and red. So it's all going to be red and gold theme. And I'm going to put them all along the glass jar. So I'm going to get started. Some of the tools I will be using today, I'm going to be using the alcohol to clean the glass. I'm going to be using my transfer tape with the HTS adhesive to put it on the jar here. I'm going to be using my scraper tool. I do have my Tweety hook here, Tweety Light hook, that's available in our accessory section on our website just in case I need any assistance. And I do put down a towel just to hold the blank still, and then as I rotate it, it just gives it a little bit more of a soft padding as I go through. Some people use all different methods. Some of them have really cool holders that they've made, but I'm just a little simple and use a towel, and I'm gonna get started. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure you check out the Valentine's Day pack. It is super great. There's so many fun things, and with it being a mix of HGV and adhesive, the projects that you can do, they're just unlimited. So can't wait to see what you guys think. If you have bought this jar from Target, or you have made other ones, maybe with something you found at another store, leave me some pictures below. I'd love to see what you came up with as well. So here we go.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.